Back to Resources with Marie, and I am your host, Marie. To all our new subscribers, thank you for becoming a part of the community. To all our pre-existing subscribers, our oldies but goodies, thank you so much for leaving your positive feedback. Thank you for the thumbs up, as well as don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time we have a new video. Thank you so much to our 800 plus subscribers who are constantly there showing their support. Hit the thumbs up because it lets me know that you guys enjoy the work from home opportunities. That way I can keep producing for you guys work from home opportunities and keep researching. I want to make a video soon of something that I saw on TikTok, which is something that I've been preaching about since I started making work from home opportunities, which would be do your research on any company. That's why I try to go with companies that we know about, that we shop on our day-to-day basis or that we use on a day-to-day basis. But I'm gonna do a separate video on that hopefully soon. But if you're new, subscribe. We're doing work from home opportunities, and on our shorts I try to find items on sale that can help us on a day-to-day basis. Things are pretty rough with the economy, so I try to look for things that I see on sale that we might just use on a day-to-day, and I try to tell you what store, and that's what I do on the shorts. So today we have a job opportunity from Home Depot. We have been coming into a couple of job opportunities from here that are remote. I like to do a couple videos on one company so you guys can see the different opportunities that you have. So we have here an Analyst brand advocate, and as you can see, it is remote. It's based in Atlanta, and it says bonus eligible 401k company match employee stock purchase program, which is good because whatever they're gonna pay you on top, they might give you a bonus depending on your job performance. And they have a 401k, which is always important, and you can invest in their stocks, which having stocks now has become a real big trend. So we have that. What we don't see is the healthcare benefits. Okay, here we have the qualifications. Must be 18 years of age or older, must be legally permitted to work in the United States. Preferred qualification: experience with vendor management system, digital marketing, e-commerce, and merchandising. High proficiency in Excel and PowerPoint. PowerPoint has been around for quite some time, so it's not too difficult to run. Now the Excel, it's a little more complicated, but you guys know that you can go into, at least when I had a job, I would go into YouTube and I would search for Excel tutorials, and whatever I needed to do, I would just go through the YouTube platform and I would immediately be able to do what I had to do. So don't be afraid with that, because I mean, nowadays with YouTube you can learn so much. With SQL, Tableau, and Adobe products, Adobe is a little more complicated. Proven record of working with major consumer brands while supporting them in an agile, interconnected environment. Agility to learn database system and web-based platforms. Manages multiple projects with competing priorities. Strong written and oral communication skills. Minimum education, the knowledge, skills, and ability typically acquired through the completion of a bachelor's degree program or equivalent degree in a field of study related to the job. Preferred education, no additional education. Minimum years of experience, 1. Preferred years of work experience, no additional years of experience. Minimum leadership experience, none. Preferred leadership experience, none. Certifications, none. Competencies: action-oriented, collaborates, drives engagement, manages complexity, communicates effectively, drives results, manages conflicts, builds relationship. I would say this is more geared towards IT work because of these particular programs. So it's more like IT based related work, but I know a lot of you out there are IT, and this is a remote job. So maybe if you're looking for something you can do from home, I know a lot of companies have been closing down, so this would be a great opportunity, but we're going to see how much the pay is in a minute. Position purposes. Do you have an interest in e-commerce and interconnected merchandising? Are you passionate about driving results? The position will be responsible for analyzing the brand online performance and for identifying opportunities for improvement in areas such as product assortment, digital content, promotions, and returns. The brand advocate analyst will also ensure that new and promotional items are optimized and offer support when suppliers need help with online system troubleshooting. This role will also be responsible for understanding customer behavior, building strategic plans, and leading presentation with suppliers and merchandising partners to gain alignment on planned initiatives. The brand advocate analyst will cultivate strong partnership with merchants, cross-functional and strategic suppliers to drive traffic, conversions, and interconnected sales through content optimization, process improvement, and analytics. This role is customer focused and will be responsible for building out robust project plans that promote brand growth. Key responsibilities. 20% build projects, partners with stakeholders to build project plans that support strategic growth and drive incremental revenue. 10% collaboration, collaborates with suppliers and cross-functional partners to manage content changes, product presentation, and brand performance throughout the product's life cycle. 15% content performance, build and lead complex presentation with suppliers and merchants to gain tracks, content performance, digital assets management, assortment opportunities via regular reporting. 20% creates and leads presentations with stakeholders to share project wins, analysis results, and to gain alignment on future opportunities. 20% customer analytics, analyzes customers' behavior and key performance indicators to identify opportunities that will improve the online experience and drive conversions. 5% on-site support, provides on-site support and expertise for online product setup, onboarding, and troubleshooting. 10% system knowledge, builds system knowledge and expertise through ongoing tailored training classes. Direct manager, direct reports. This position typically reports to manager brand advocates. This position has 0% direct reports. Travel requirements typically requires overnight travel 5 to 20% of the time. Physical requirements most of the time is spent sitting in a comfortable position, and there is frequent opportunities to move about. On rare occasions, there may be a need to move or lift light articles. Working conditions located in a comfortable indoor area. Any unpleasant conditions will be infrequent and not objectable. For California, Colorado, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New York, and Washington residents, the pay range position is between $65,000 and $75,000. For IT work, that's kind of on the lower end from what I have seen. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you. Paid parental leave, 401k, merit increase in performance bonuses, on-the-spot recognition and rewards for a job well done. I think for all the work that you're doing, this is kind of on the lower end, as well as IT work, because it's mostly related to specialized programs. This is on the lower end. Normally we see anywhere between $95,000 and up. And this, to me, seems on the lower end. But if you're just starting, you're just fresh out of college, I think this would be a great opportunity for you to experience, as you know, and being that it's from home, it's remote. I think this would be a great opportunity. So let's hit here the apply. And another thing is that you have to travel. So if you're not comfortable with traveling, that might be a deal breaker for you, because it's anywhere between 5% to 20% travel. So that can also be a deal breaker. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, guys, so that you can see upcoming job opportunities. You have to do an account here. So do bear in mind that you will need a little bit of time, because first of all, you have to do the account and then you have to go through the application process. So have that in mind. So this is the job opportunity that we have for today. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. That way I know you guys enjoy the work from home opportunity, as well as don't forget to subscribe. If you want to follow us on TikTok at Resources with Marie, on Instagram at Resources with Marie, and the Facebook group is linked down below. Thank you so much for being a part of the community, guys. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.